Are you tired of your MacBook Pro dying on you at the most inconvenient times? Here are the top 5 reasons why changing your MacBook Pro battery is not just a necessity, but a game changer. 1. Unmatched performance. A new battery means your MacBook Pro regains its original stellar performance. No more sudden shutdowns or sluggish responses. Enjoy the seamless experience Apple designed for you. 2. Extended lifespan. Don't let a failing battery be the end of your MacBook Pro. A battery replacement breathes new life into your device, extending its lifespan and delaying the need for a costly replacement. 3. Efficiency at its best. With a new battery, your MacBook Pro charges faster and holds that charge longer. Whether you're working from a cafe or on the move, your MacBook Pro keeps up with your busy lifestyle. 4. Safety first old. Swollen batteries are not just a nuisance, they're a hazard. Replacing your battery ensures your MacBook Pro remains safe to use, protecting both the device and your peace of mind. 5. Value for money. At Minkos Max, we understand the importance of quality and affordability. That's why we offer MacBook Pro battery replacements starting at just £90. With us, you get the best deal without compromising on quality. All our battery replacements come with a warranty, ensuring your MacBook Pro remains in top shape. Whether it's the latest model or a beloved older version, we cater to all years of Apple device models.